Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions step by step and made easy. If fractions confuse you, don't worry. I'll show you how to solve them the simple way. So let's get started. First, let's talk about addition of fractions. I'll show you how to do it using my own method, a simple technique that really works. In this example, we add 3 halves plus 4 fifths. First, I will multiply 3 and 5. So we have 3 times 5. Next, since it is addition, I will copy the plus sign. The next step is I will multiply 4 and 2. So we have 4 times 2. The next step is to multiply 2 and 5, which is the denominators. We have 2 times 5. And now let's simplify. So 3 times 5 equals 15 plus 4 times 2 equals 8 over 2 times 5 equals 10. Then we add 15 plus 8, we have 23 over 10. So 3 halves plus 4 fifths equals 23 over 10. Since this is improper fraction, we need to change to mixed number. So to change this improper fraction to mixed number, we will divide 23 divided by 10. So 23 divided by 10 equals 2. 2 times 10 equals 20. So 23 minus 20 equals 3. Then our improper fraction now, 23 over 10, it becomes 2 and 3, 10. So 23 over 10 to mixed number is 2 and 3, 10. And that is how to add fraction. Now, let's move on to subtraction of fractions. Let me show you how I do it using this method. So 3 halves minus 4 fifths equals, the first step is I will multiply 3 and 5. So we have 3 times 5. Next, I'm going to copy the minus sign. So we have 3 times 5 minus. The next step is I will multiply 4 and 2. So we have 4 times 2. The next step is to multiply the denominators. We have 2 times 5. Okay, to simplify, we multiply 3 and 5, and that is 15 minus 4 times 2 equals 8. All over 2 times 5 equals 10. Next, 15 minus 8 equals 7 over 10. So the final answer for 3 halves minus 4 fifths equals 7 over 10 or 7 10. Now, let's talk about multiplication of fractions. Just follow this simple method. Let me show you how I do it. This is the first step. I will multiply their numerators. 3 times 4 equals 12. Next, I multiply their denominators. 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Next, to simplify, since our answer is 12 over 10, which is improper fraction, we need to change to mixed number. So we divide 12 divided by 10 to get the mixed number. 12 divided by 10 equals 1. So 1 times 10 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Then now we can rewrite 12 over 10 to mixed number. And it is equal to, so we have 1 and 2, 10. Next, we simplify. Okay, to simplify 1 and 2/10, we divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then we copy the whole number 1. Therefore, the final answer is 1 and 1 fifth. And that's how you multiply fractions. Quick and easy. Lastly, let's talk about dividing fractions. It might sound tricky, but don't worry, there's an easy trick. So to divide 3/2 divided by 4/5, we multiply 3 and 5. So 3 times 5. And for the denominator, we multiply 4 and 2. So we have 4 times 2. The next, let's simplify. So 3 times 5 is 15 over 4 times 2 is 8. We have now 15 over 8. Again, this is improper fraction. Then we're going to change into mixed number. To change into mixed number, okay, we divide 15 divided by 8. 15 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. Now 15 minus 8 equals 7. Therefore, in mixed number, we have 1 and 7 over 8. So the final answer to 3/2 divided by 4/5 is 1 and 7 over 8. So that's it. That's how I divide fractions. Quick and easy. And that's it. Today, we'll learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions using simple and easy methods. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.